Hello friends, I am Pavan and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Macafferlife vlog. I have got this type of wall in drain. So we are going to fit this within the block, and backside we will use the pipe T that 4 inch, and that will connect to this end. So we are going to fit this way. So it's going to look very neat and clean, and the upper part, which is little coming outside, so that one I am going to cut it. So they have already marked this mark, so I am going to cut by using the meters of this top net. And you can see here, these holes are only there for drain out the water, rest all is just to cover up the face. So I am going to cut this so that when I will keep the next stone on top of it, it will come exactly at same level. So that's what I'm going to do it. So let me cut this and then I will show you. This mark, I'm going to cut it like this, exactly from this mark. You can see. That's it. This piece we can just throw it out. You can see this water drain. It's very clean, neat, and it looks very nice. This is how we connect. So right now this is the pipe. It is going to come from this label. Now I need one T basically. And now I will cut some small piece and connect here the T, and that will connect to this drain. So all water, any water, excess water from behind the retaining wall will come through this, and here it will out. So thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we will wait for your comments. Thank you.